Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the iPhone is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Look at the casing on this one. It seems slightly off spec.
It's within tolerance, but note the lot number just in case.
We mill every component to micron accuracy. This extreme precision ensures unparalleled durability for the final product.
Every unit is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how the iPhone is made. From start to finish.